a lot of people don't understand about how this can get approved actually. Look, this application has been rejected. It's quite clearly notification of the refusal of the application for temporary business entry. It's a class UC subclass 457 visa. It's a bit dated. I mean, 2016. Yes, but now it's a TSS, the same method. This nominee, the visa applicant, the rejection reason was it has been highlighted. It's occupation is a level 2 occupation we apply under the transportation service manager. Okay, and what he says about the rejection reason was it doesn't meet the requirement for the level of the qualification, and it has, and also the I noted that applicant has some relevant work experience with the sponsoring the business, but however it's a less than 3 years. So another word, applicant actually doesn't have the relevant work experience, which is it's good enough to meet the requirement, neither of qualification. So these applicant didn't have any one of them, which is valid qualification to meet the skill set requirement or relevant work experience. None of them. So that's why the visa has been rejected. Look, its applicant's age was very young back then. 2016 is now what, 3 years ago. Look at the 1990. Very young, and as you know about the those transportation company manager, average age is up to 40. So it's obviously quite a very challenging occupation. If you look at about the overall whole picture, the age is someone who is something 20 plus suddenly applying for the level 2 occupation. It's under the one of the major management law, who doesn't have experience, also who doesn't have absolutely no qualification, and how this application could get approved. Of course, it's everyone thought about rejection is absolute. Rejection has been made it, and guess what? That's what it is. We get an approval. We get an approval on 2017 August. Again, same person, Lane, 1990, saying it's her birthday. Its visa has been granted, and based on those few facts, look, originally this is the occupation is under the transportation service manager. It was a level 2 occupation, quite tough. As I say, about the most age group was about above about 40 years old. She was only 26 years old and a full-time student at the one of the major university in the Melbourne, and she actually came from Shanghai straight away after her finishing her high school. So it's quite challenging for her to actually claim about any of the work experience in the past, because as soon as when she finished high school from the Shanghai, she straight away came to the Australia in Melbourne. There is no gapping period in between from high school to the university, and she was very young again. Apparently she's back then, actually she's now graduate, but back then she also was a student while we processing about this visa application. I just highlight, I pinpoint about some of them. She couldn't have qualified the work experience while she was in Australia. Also, she found the way that applicants' high school work experience can't meet up the requirement.